Right, so what is up guys, I'm back here with another video. And today I'm going to be playing Hot Wheels Race Off, and guys, I finally finished level 16. This is going to be hard, folks. So don't try this at home. I'm only joking. Do whatever you want, I don't care. Come here, you naughty kid. Alright, so far I'm doing pretty good. I'm not gonna play Agario today, cause sorry I didn't do a video yesterday, cause I had to do school homework and everything, you know. I'm gonna please be for RDO 2. Come on. Wait. Later. Do this. Do this. But guys, I'm just gonna go here for a second. Okay. No, I can. I've got Mountain Mauler now. Well, I'm not actually gonna be playing there. That's the baby league. Yeah, baby league. Oh, I'm on level 18. And I'm not gonna upgrade anything yet because I need a lot of coins to beat this Dragon Blaster. Alright, I'll quit because I did terrible. Alright. Oh yeah, guys, I've got audio 2 now. I think I said that in the last video, I don't know. Alright, trying to catch up. Come on guys, you know the drill. Let's kick it in the butt pants. Yeah. Of course I died. So done that. Alright, time to upgrade some stuff. There. Should have upgraded my speed, but that's okay because I'm faster. Dragon Blaster, it might be fast, but not anymore. Alright, I can catch up. Get some coins. Trick ya! Alright. Explode! Nice one, right? No. I'll have to... Actually, no, I won't. No, that was a glitch. I didn't. Oh great, another ads. How far can you jump? Oh, I can jump to the moon, bro. Totally. Alright, gonna do this. Now, I shall be way faster than him now. I was gonna die either way, cause like... No, I'm not gonna buy anything. Why do I keep on doing that? Alright. Doing good. Ooh. And guys, I might even put some effects on this video. So I might do a cartoon effect, you never know. Alright. So, doing pretty good. Alright, time to go insane speed. They're pretty good. Oh, great. I guess see what happens if I use spectate. I actually am kind of winning, to be honest. Till yeah, I'm beating losing him because like Spectate is more upgraded than my RDO2 and now I'm gonna lose. Alright, doing good. Doing pretty good. Oh, just. Oh no. So I might be my high score to 11 another day. And then I'm afraid today, pulling out the end, okay. Alright, so shall I do one more round? Yeah, I should. Alright, doing good. That's the way to do it. I found it. Alright. Oh no. His elevator goes so much faster. That's not fair. That's not fair in my underwear. Alright. Come on. Oh, I nearly exploded. Alright, so I'm gonna sign off for today's video and I will see you guys later. Bye.